The first time I tried these berry crumble bars, I was instantly transported to a cozy afternoon, savoring every bite of that perfect blend of berries and buttery crust. I promise, once you taste them, you'll be hooked for life. So, if you're ready, give this video a thumbs up. Let's start with the filling. Grab a medium pan and set it over medium heat. Add about 300 grams of mixed berries. Frozen is perfect, but fresh works too. Then, sprinkle in about 80 grams of brown sugar. A splash of lemon juice. And around 12 grams of cornstarch. Stir it all together until it thickened up into a lovely jam-like consistency. Then, set it aside to cool completely. Now, for the crust, in your food processor, combine 250 grams of all-purpose flour, ,30 grams of almond flour, 55 grams of brown sugar, a pinch of salt, and 170 grams of cold butter. Blend it until it forms a crumbly, sandy texture. Line your baking dish with parchment paper and press about 2/3 of the crust mixture into the bottom. Craving a custom cake in Toronto? With years of expertise, I'm here to make your celebration unforgettable. Check out my Instagram, link in the description, and DM me to order your dream cake today. Let's create something sweet together. Spread a thick layer of the cooled berry filling on top. And then sprinkle the remaining crust mixture over the top, creating a crumble effect. No need to flatten it. Just let it be nice and crumbly. Pop it into a preheated oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 50 minutes until it's golden and bubbly. If the top gets too brown, you can cover it with foil for the last 20 minutes. Once it's done, let it cool completely before slicing it up. Enjoy it with a cup of tea or coffee. Trust me, these bars are absolutely irresistible. If you loved this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, check out my previous videos, and stay tuned for more tasty treats. Until next time, happy baking and enjoy every single bite!